Irimi Nage describes the way you obtain the strategic position behind uke, if it is powered by tenkan, to unbalance and lead them down. If it is straight entry, you condition for the proper angle first to further gain the effectiveness of the chopping entry. So as you lead uke with tenkan rotation and you start transferring your weight to the other leg, you also start raising your arm to leverage uke's body. As you start transferring your weight to the other leg, uke's arm control is no longer needed. Instead, you have to create a leveraging influence over uke's body to lead them down. We'll examine the appropriate escape from the attack line, which will enable us to perform Irimi Nage. Address the emergent mechanics. Condition and recognize what happens to fit with the corresponding variation of Irimi Nage. Remember that eventually, in a situation of real attack, you do not choose an Aikido technique you will perform. You rather address your emergent capabilities, and based on your emergent success, you recognize a situation appropriate for a certain technique.